This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Charles Schwab versus JP Morgan. We'll dive into their core offerings, helping you understand the distinct advantages each provides. We'll look at investment platforms, banking services, and wealth management solutions. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which financial institution might be the better fit for your specific needs and goals. Let's get started. When it comes to investing, Charles Schwab is known for its extensive platform, offering commission-free trading on stocks and exchange-traded funds. They cater well to self-directed investors. JP Morgan, on the other hand, provides a more robust suite of managed portfolios and personalized advisory services, often appealing to those seeking comprehensive wealth management. Both have competitive pricing, but their approaches differ significantly. Beyond investing, Charles Schwab provides strong banking services, including checking and savings accounts with no monthly service fees and ATM fee rebates. JP Morgan excels in private banking, offering tailored solutions for high-net-worth individuals, including specialized lending and wealth planning. Your choice might depend on whether you prioritize everyday banking convenience or bespoke financial guidance. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your individual financial situation and goals. Charles Schwab generally shines for self-directed investors, offering a user-friendly platform and low-cost trading. JP Morgan is often preferred by those seeking extensive wealth management, private banking, and personalized financial advice. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.